Well, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Joydeep, and I'm a co-founder at Splash Math. And let me tell you something about Splash Math. So Splash Math is a K-5 math program. It's a curriculum-aligned product that's centered around the child. So when I talk about centered around child, let's take a note of where does math learning happen for a child. It happens at home. Sometimes it happens in the classroom for sure. And it also happens sometimes in tutoring centers. So Splash Math wants to be the program that will be the only program that the child uses, be it at home or in the classroom. Now, when we talk about being the only program, what is it that we do different? We do personalization, and in this conference, you have heard a lot about personalization. Just to add to that, well, we have billions of problems being answered on Splash Math, and we use that to make our algorithms better. But we actually go beyond that. For us, personalization is not just about right content at the right time. It's also the right experience. A first grader and a fifth grader will demand a different experience from their math program. So that's why we create interactions, we create visuals, themes that are appropriate for that particular grade level ability. So that's how we create this personalized learning program in the Splash Math sense. And why is that we want to do it? Because, so our North Star is we want to create learning as a habit. And to do that, you have to make the child feel comfortable. So we want to use the interactions that the child is familiar with. They play video games, they have a lot of new age media. So we want to make sure that their program, their math learning program is able to be very close to that. That makes them feel comfortable. And so we create this immersive math learning experience. We use a lot of visual cues, sounds, manipulatives. We also use a lot of positivity. So we use positive feedback. We give no negative feedback. We make sure that we are always encouraging the child. And that's how we can create learning as a habit. Now, while the child is, so while the child is essentially practicing math, they can also, we provide like a jungle where they can collect animals, aquarium where they can collect sea creatures. So it's kind of keeping them motivated. At the end of the day, you want them to feel comfortable. We want them to play Splash Math. Now, we feel that parents are a crucial part in child's math learning as well. So we want to involve the parent at all points of time. We provide dashboards for parents to go and see how the child is doing. We also provide a dedicated parent app that they can use to monitor progress. Now, we also, like I said, Splash Math is also available in the classrooms. For teachers, teachers are already overburdened with a lot of things. I mean, we do not want to be one other thing that the teacher has to do. So the reports that we create essentially does all the hard work. We figure out who are the weak students, what should the teacher be focusing on, and kind of provide actionable reports where they can straight away assign topics to maybe a bunch of students or the entire classroom, view the reports there, and go on. So essentially, we are able to make the teacher we are able to give teachers a lot more power. We also provide dashboards for administrators to see that we are actually giving return on education. And well, students, parents, educators, all of us love Splash Math. We have thousands of stories on how kids have benefited from Splash Math. There's this one parent who told us her daughter would would wake up 5 a.m. in the morning and say, "Ma, can I please play Splash Math?" And we would have educators telling us the kids who are low on math confidence, because Splash Math provides this encouraging environment, they're able to actually gain more math confidence after using Splash Math. We are highly rated on the App Store. We have won awards along the way. And if you search for addition, subtraction, or first grade on the App Store, Splash Math comes up. So as of today, Splash Math is being used both in homes and in classrooms. We are cloud-based, and it's available across devices. On iPads, it's a native app, so it does not require Wi-Fi for it to work. So learning can be on the move with low or no Wi-Fi. So we have proven efficacy. 85% of the students actually have developed stronger problem-solving skills using Splash Math. This was a third-party efficacy study that we had done for 8 weeks. We have been growing. So far, we have had close to 22 million users who have used Splash Math. We have been around since 2011. And we have also been growing our subscribers. So in the last 1 year, we actually grew 240% in our number of subscribers. We have presence across. We have global presence. 81% is in the US. And we do see subscribers coming in from Canada, Australia, UK. And we don't focus there, so our plans are to basically focus there right now, and which is why we're looking for partners for both B2C and B2B in the US. Latin America, because we have also done our Spanish version, and looking for Southeast Asia, China, Korea, Japan. So we're always looking for partners. Thank you so much for listening to me. You have a great afternoon.